Hey everyone, it's Chad. It's the big day. Starlink has arrived. You can see here I've got the box. I've been out of town for a couple days, so I wish I could have got this to you sooner. It's my first opportunity. Just got my hands on the box. You can see unopened yet. It's got the Starlink picture on the front. I guess we're calling it the UFO disc. And then the familiar SpaceX logo on the top. The sides and the back, not so much to see, but we'll flip the box around. Just flat gray on the one side, flat gray on the back. There's a little sticker on there, but that's just shipping information sticker. And on the other side, that's the actual shipping label. Let me flip the box around here. It's got part number information, serial number information, company and origin information. So we'll get to that here next. Bring that down. Starlink Internet, part number 0253 0001-507/C. Serial number KIT 000-15713. Dish model UTA-201. Power supply model UTP-201A/UTP-201S. And the router model is UTR-201. That's the information on that sticker. There's another sticker here that's got where it comes from. So company name and address. Let me get that for you. There's my name, Chad Howard. So it comes from Space Exploration Technologies Corp. out of Hawthorne, California, 90250, 3976 Jack Northrop. All the way to Chad Howard in Minot, North Dakota. So the box says on the label, I say it weighs 32 pounds. They say, looks like ACT weight 30 pounds. Dimensions 30 by 20 by 10. So I don't know how that works. I gave you actual dimensions. It shipped on November 11th, and I got it Tuesday the 17th. So it took about 7 days, 7 calendar days to get to me in Minot from California. There was a delay in North Salt Lake, Utah. It sat for, I don't know, sat for way longer than I had hoped to get to me. So I could have had it, but I was out of town, so I was just monitoring things and with anticipation, really. I know we're all anticipating everything with the Starlink. It's quite a bit of interest and enthusiasm about the product, not just in the Midwest or a particular city or state or even just the United States. It's all over the world. This is a game-changing product that there's hundreds of thousands of people following day by day. The beta program, better than nothing. And as I've stated already, that to me it's better than 95% of what's out there in the United States. It's not better than nothing, it's better than 95% right out of the box. And this is just the beta program, so I'm out of breath talking about it. I'm really excited. I'm excited to be able to share it with you, all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. To anybody that's watching this video that is not a subscriber already, please subscribe. Please like the video. Please leave a comment. Please leave a question. There's only more videos and answers to your questions to come. So let's stop the video for now, and we'll go to part 2 in the next video. We'll see you in just a minute. Thank you.